Chemical synthesis underpins many areas of science, from the development of new drugs to the invention of new materials. I'm Jonathan Claydon, and I'm the director of our Centre for Doctoral Training in Technology Enhanced Chemical Synthesis that we know as TECS. Many of our graduates go on into careers in the pharmaceutical, fine chemical and biotech industries. And what these industries tell us is not only do they want people who are skilled in the science of making molecules, but also an awareness of the new technologies that are developing in the area, including flow chemistry, electrochemistry and photochemistry, but also the use of machine learning, data analysis and artificial intelligence.
The students join the CDT program and do 9 months of training, and then they embark on their PhDs.
The training year that you get to do gets you up to speed on a variety of kind of cutting edge techniques that people use in chemistry research that you might not necessarily be exposed to as part of your undergraduate degree. It allowed me to develop skills in areas that I hadn't come across before. Something that's been really useful in my project going forward is using the Python coding language to analyse big data sets.
I really valued getting to try out lots of different kinds of chemistry during that training period that I wouldn't have had a chance to try out otherwise. If you then go on to use it in your future career, it's not completely unfamiliar.
The chance to brainstorm and think about upwards of 20 different research projects before you actually then went on and decided which one you wanted to pursue. That was something that really appealed to me as well.
Especially coming from a different university doing my undergrad, it meant I got to know all of the groups and the supervisors before I kind of made that firm decision.
The reason that I chose to apply to the TECS CDT in particular was the focus on really new and emerging techniques. I've used a lot of the facilities available in the School of Chemistry throughout the course of my PhD. You need to make use of a really wide range of techniques to do the kind of science that we do. I'm often using the NMR facility, mass spec, automated purification systems.
We have lots of open access machines, so you can just go down and run your samples whenever they're ready. We also have some kind of higher spec machines, and the people who run the facility are really, really helpful, helping you get whatever data you need from those.
We have links with all the major pharmaceutical and agrochemical companies, both large and small, and local companies as well, to a point where every single student who wants to have an industrial link can have one. That can take the form of just having a mentor in industry, all the way up to spending 3 to 6 months in industry. Our PhD students have largely gone into the pharmaceutical and agrochemical industries. Others have gone on to work in patents or teaching. So you can see there are many areas that the students can move into as a result of the broad training that they've had here at Bristol.
We're looking to develop chemists who have a really well-rounded skill set, and we're really proud of the fact that in the most recent assessment, Bristol was rated as the best place in the country to carry out chemistry research.